The Yogi government of the state is trying to make Mahakumbh a mirror of Indian culture. Various events are being organized by the Culture Department of Uttar Pradesh. In this great gathering of faith, various forms of rich Indian culture will be seen along with various colors of faith and spirituality. In Mahakumbh, along with the divine and grand vision of the religious and spiritual traditions of Sanatan Dharma, a glimpse of the rich Indian culture of India will also be seen. Many events will be organized by the Culture Department regarding this. Kalakumbh will be organized first so that the visiting devotees and tourists can also become aware of the various dimensions of Indian culture after taking a holy bath in Triveni. Kalakumbh camp will be built near Nagvasuki area in which an exhibition of various arts from all over the country will be held. 3 big cultural platforms will be built in the Kumbh area so that the devotees and tourists visiting Sangam can also see the arts and its various forms along with the traditions of India. Their capacity will be more than 1,000 spectators. These will be constructed in Jhansi, a rail Sangam area in Kumbh area. Except for the bathing festivals, there will be classical and semi-classical performances for 35 days throughout the Mahakumbh. Apart from this, performances of well-known celebrity artists of the country will also be held in the Ganga Pandal at the parade ground. Visitors coming with the basic mantra of Atithi Devo Bhav will be welcomed. Apart from the Kumbh area, stages will be set up for performances at various places inside the city as well. 20 small cultural stages will be built to welcome and entertain the visitors going to the Kumbh area through the city through various routes. These stages will be completely dedicated to folk artists. Here skilled artists of different folk arts will give their performances day and night. The Culture Department plans to start these performances from 10th January 2025. Tourism and Culture Minister Javeer Singh says that a glimpse of miniature India will be seen in the Mahakumbh. Many events are being organized in the Kumbh by the Culture Department to include various dimensions of heritage, art and music of Indian culture. Due to which, in the organization of religious, spiritual art Kumbh, 4 big cultural platforms and 20 small cultural platforms will be established outside the Kumbh area in which thousands of folk artists will get a platform to present the art of their state and country.